Welcome back again to learning the உயிர்மெய் எழுத்துக்கள். In the last episode, we learned to form the உயிர்மெய் எழுத்துக்கள் till na, nanna, ninni varisai. Okay, so the next varisai is going to be blending the remaining மெய் எழுத்துக்கள் with the உயிர் எழுத்துக்கள். Okay, so let's read it out. Pa, pa, pi, pi, pu, pu, pe, pe, pai, po, po, pau. So ma, ma, mi, mi, mu, mu, me, me, mai, mo, mo, mau. Ya, ya, yi, yi, you, you. Oh, it's messed up. Ye, ye, yai, yo, you, yau. Ra, ra, ri, ri, ru, ru, re, re, rai, ro, ro, rau. Okay. La, la, li, li, lu, lu, le, le, lai, lo, lo, lau. Va varisai, va, va, vi, vi, vu, vu, ve, ve, vai, wo, wo, wow. Ra, ra, ri, ri, ru, ru, re, re, rai, ro, ro, rau. La, 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 li, li, lu, lu, le, le, lai, lo, lo, lau. Ra, ra, ri, ri, ru, ru, re, re, rai, ro, ro, rau. Na, na, ni, ni, nu, nu, ne, ne, nai, no, no, now. Okay, so I hope you all will practice, friends. So keep practicing. Okay, and then yeah, okay, and then the most important part, okay, here is also to understand the pronunciation, right? So we have like two nas, right? This is one na, this is sounding little less stress, na, and in the previous episode we saw another na. So how do we understand the difference between these two things? Okay, so basically if you have your mouth, this is your top of, this is your mouth, so this is where your teeth is going to be there, and imagine that this right hand is going to be the tongue. Okay, so whenever you are doing the less stressed words, okay, if I say na, then I'm going to tell, okay, let me say this ra. Okay, so if you say, this tongue will touch ra here, the below the tongue, below the tip of your teeth, you'll say maram. Okay, it will touch here. Then if you want maram means maram, so this tongue, this is the tip of the tongue, it's going to touch the middle of your mouth. So imagine that this is the roof of your mouth. Okay, so friends, imagine that this hand is going to be the roof of your mouth. Okay, so this is going to be the place where the teeth is. Okay, So this is the extreme part that's close to the teeth. This is the middle of the mouth, and this is the backmost part. Okay. So whenever you're doing a little lighter sound, you're going to touch your tongue over here. If you're going to stress, you're going to touch it over here. So whenever you say this ra, okay, what is that ra? This one. Okay, that ra, when you're saying, it's a light stress. Okay, so you have to say ra, ra. This is the tongue, and this is the roof of the mouth. This is the teeth. Ra, ra, ra. This is ra, ra. This tongue is going to bend and say ra, 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 ra. Okay. So again, if you're going to do full la. Okay, la is here, la is here, and there is one more special letter in Tamil which is called as ra. Okay, so that you bend your tongue and go to the back. Okay, so how you could remember this is, the ra in Tamil is denoted by ZH. Okay, so Z in English alphabets is going to be in the beginning or in the end. It's going to be in the end, right? So similarly, you have to put your tongue in the backmost part of your mouth, and then say the sound. So this is the word, letter that is used in param. Yes, varai param. You got it? Always put your tongue to the backmost part and then pronounce it. Param, varai param. Yes. It's very important. Many people say palam and all, so that's not right. You have to say param. It's a speciality of the Tamil language because no other language has the special character ra. Okay, Tamil. Yes. So Tamil has that. So can you, if you see Tamil, Tamil, right? So keep practicing with your tongue. Put your tongue back and say ra. And there is one word which says these letters, this la, la and ra are the most trickiest in pronouncing. Okay. Also, if you pronounce them little different, it totally changes the meaning of the word. For example, there's a word called palli. Okay, what is it? Palli. And there is a word called palli. Okay, you know what this, if I put this letter and say palli, it's a less stress word. Palli, it's a lizard. But if I put this and say palli, it's a school. So if you just interchange it and say I went to palli, if you say na pallikku pona, it will not mean I went to school, it will mean I went to lizard, right? Doesn't it sound weird? So make sure that you give the proper stress. So this, if you want to say yill, you have to put your tongue in the middle. Okay, it has to touch the middle roof of your mouth. Yill. Okay, and this one has to touch the tip. It has a yill. Okay, light stress behind the teeth, right? So, and this one, as you can see, it is ZH. So put your tongue behind. Alphabet goes the end, so put it towards the end and say ra, Tamil. Okay, one practice sentence will be varai param தோல் வழுக்கி வாலிபர் கீழே விழுந்தார். Okay, so keep practicing it. It means வாழைப்பழம், banana, தோல், that is peel, வழுக்கி, yes, வழுக்கி means slipped. Okay, slip. வாலிபர் means a guy. கீழே means down. விழுந்தார், okay, fell down. Okay, so keep practicing that. So see you again in the next episode. Bye.
Bye.
And please don't forget to subscribe. Okay?